Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In this 8-part series we're going to be creating a top-down shooter, the one that you're currently seeing on the screen. We'll begin by setting up the scene, and then we will script our way part by part into the final result. Without any further ado, let's jump in. So I created an empty project here. Let's begin by setting up the scene. So I'm going to create a 3D scene, and I'm going to create a new child node. I'm going to call it it's going to be a node 3D, and I'm going to call it map. I'm going to give it a child node. I'm going to call it, so it's going to be a mesh instance 3D. I'm going to give it a mesh, a box mesh, and I'm going to scale it up. First of all, let's unlink the scaling. Let's give it a 50 by 50, and let's leave that at 1. So let's give this, first of all, let's rename it to floor, and let's give it a child of static body 3D. And that static body 3D is going to have a collision shape 3D. It's going to be a box shape, and let's leave it at that. Or you know what? Let's change the color of the floor because it looks too white. It's bothering my eyes actually. So let's click on the mesh and let's create a new standard material 3D by clicking at the material, and then let's click at that material, go to albedo, make it a little bit darker and a little bit bluish like this. Okay, now let's create our player. So let's create a player character body 3D, and this character body 3D is going to have a mesh instance as a child. So the mesh instance is going to be a capsule. Let's make sure that our character body 3D is at position 0, 0, 0, and let's go to the mesh instance 3D, and let's put this at 1. Let's raise the character a bit more, so make sure that the mesh instance is at Y position 1. Now let's give the character body 3D a collision shape 3D, which will be a capsule. So capsule 3D, and let's raise it by 1 in the Y position, just like we did with the mesh. So let's name this to player before we forgot. Another thing, so let's give our player a weapon. So let's give it a child node. It's going to be a node 3D. Call it weapon, and give it a mesh instance 3D. Let it be a box, and let's scale it down like this, so it looks a little bit like a weapon. Bring it down to the right of the player, and that should be about it for the mesh of the player. One final thing, let's add like a ramp in our map, so we can test our character on it. So I'm going to select the floor, and I'm going to actually duplicate it just so I won't have to redo everything again. I'm going to call this ramp. So let's scale it down. So let's switch to local and give it a little bit more scale. And that's about it. So I'll see you on the next one. First of all, let's actually save our scene. So let's create a new folder called scenes, and let's call this like main or something. So that's about it for this video. We will see you in the next one, where we will be creating our first script to control the player and its camera. One last thing before you go, I need to talk to you about something. I need to talk to you about my game Matami, which is a restaurant management tycoon. I've been working on this game for quite a while now, and I'm very happy with the results that I'm getting. If you like this type of game, if you like restaurant management games, please don't hesitate to add it to your wish lists. That would help me immensely. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.